Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back in front of this camera. You guys don't even understand. But I'm gonna get right into this video. So right now I'm just like pre-prepping my hair. Like, I don't know how to really explain it, but I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail just to kind of guide me to sculpt my ponytail nice and straight. I do have 4C hair, so I'm trying to stay away from gel or any product that is going to activate my kinky curls. So right now you want to put in a ponytail, and let's just say my hair grew. Y'all see, I could put my hair in a ponytail 1 year, okay? And I'm gonna use some not eco, what am I talking about? I'm gonna use edge booster. This is my favorite edge control of all time. Try not to use a lot though, because you would make your hair turn white. So I just use like this amount, like a quarter amount of product, and I'm going to be using the same amount of product to apply all over my hair. So when you put your hair in a ponytail, prior to like actually fixing the ponytail super neat, it just gives you a guide. Like, I don't know, it just works for me. And I feel like if you struggle with doing a ponytail, this is the best way to actually perfect your ponytail. This method has been working for me for mad long, and it just never let me down. Now I am going in with some Got To Be Free Spray. This is my best friend whenever it's come to doing my ponytails. I feel like it just holds your ponytail together all day. Well, at least for me, it will last me for at least 3 days whenever I use my Got To Be Free Spray. Now I'm gonna take out my ponytail, and what I'm gonna do is actually just brush the ends into the rest of the hair that was into the ponytail. I don't really know how to explain it, but I hope you guys could kind of see what I'm doing, because I'm not actually brushing from the root to the ends. I'm just brushing the ends to the ends, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, I just like to do that because once I start to pull my hair into a ponytail, my hair strands just automatically get straight because of the edge booster and the free spray. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go into doing my edges, and I like to pre-prep everything, so I'm just like combing my edges out to know how much I'm gonna have to style and whatever. I'm gonna go into using my edge booster. This is my favorite edge booster of all time. I did redo my edges off camera because my mirror was super small and I couldn't really see it that much. But if you like the way I styled it, girl, go ahead and style your edges like this. But I just don't really like thick edges. I feel like it's just too much for me. But I just left the footage in because I just wanted you guys to see how I actually, go about styling my edges. Now I'm going in with my got to be spray, and I'm just using that to just set everything and make sure that it doesn't move throughout the day. Now getting into the fun part, for the hair that I'm going to be using to wrap around for my top knot bun is this expression pre-stretched hair. Now you guys, you don't have to buy this hair. You could literally buy the cheapest hair that you have in the store. This is really cheap though. It's only $5.99, but I had this laying around the house, so I usually do my own box sprays and hairstyles like that. So I was happy when I found a pack of braiding hair at my house. So it comes with 3 bundles. So I took 2 out because I didn't want it to be too thick and I didn't want it to be too thin. And I just try to blend them together as much as possible. I took a scrunchie and I wrapped it. I like really tied both of them together super tight. Hopefully you guys can see the way I wrapped it. It's super easy how to wrap it. And then I just placed it right on top of my bun. I didn't have to really wrap it so many times around my hair because the scrunchie was super small. So once I put it on top of my bun, it just really was enough, snug enough on my bun for me. Because you don't want to do the hairstyle super tight to where it's like, girl, I can't wait to take this out. You want to do it to where you're comfortable, but you still look cute. You know what I'm trying to say? Now, the tricky part, not the tricky part, because you don't have to really do what I'm doing to do my top knot bun, but I've been doing this hairstyle since high school. Like, I used to do this on my friends' hair a lot because I was just a professional at this. This never used to be called top knot bun either. It used to be called like a ninja bun hairstyle, but now it's called top knot. So hey, I guess over time society just evolves and change the names of old school trends. But yeah, I'm wrapping this towards the flowers. So if you're watching this video, it's probably to your right hand side. No, your left hand side. It's my left, your right, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it. I'm just twisting and wrapping it until it gets to like the ends, and then because it's pre-stretch, it's so much easier to just wrap it around. And then for the part that's still there, like this part here that I'm currently twisting, I'm going to wrap it in the opposite direction of how I just twist the first one. So this one is going towards the right hand side, but it's technically my left. The reason why I do this is because, I don't know, I just always did it like this since I was younger, and it works for me. And like they always say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I just love the way this bun came out, you guys. Like, it came out so cute. I was so surprised that I still had it in me to do my buns and my ponytails. You know what I'm trying to say? So I'm super hyped. Now I'm gonna take a bobby pin because I like to play it safe. So I'm gonna just like secure my bun. You know what I'm trying to say. You just really gonna put the bobby pins wherever you feel like, you know, that's gonna really hold the bun together. I don't really know. I'm just placing the bobby pins all over my hair just to make sure that it's held super tight. And that's pretty much all it is to this video, you guys. I'm so happy you guys stayed tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your girl channel to see more content.